So welcome to the channel, guys.
Stereo upgrade on a VW Pilot, and yeah, stay tuned for the video, and any question comment down below. Let's get crack on. So first thing first, a trim removal, but this is a different one, so it's going to get removed out. Be careful because it's plastic and obviously it could break. And that's off. So next thing, got my drill. Of course you need the drill. Get the bolts off. And don't lose the screws. That is out of the way, so let's get this one out. Quick push. Oh, that is big. Let's get those twists. Quick one, this one off, and if you do a quick push, it should come off easily. Here you go. Got it, us. Damn, that is big one. Wow. Shame I'm not going to be using it. Right, so cuts up my uncle in China. Got my box. We'll see what's in there. So let's open it up. Loads of wires. And the important thing, the screen. Ta-da! So I guess this is going to be the one. Right, so let's get cracking on. So you just need to make sure you got the right port for this one, and I think they send you two. So hopefully get the right one out. Yep. So it's this one, so it's matched with this one. So first thing first, connect this one to this one. Alright, that is and you connect this one to power, that one to power, and this white cable to this one, I believe. Yeah, next thing next. Get the antenna connected. So nice, let's sit in that one and later connect to that one. So we got the GPS location here. So basically just stick it anywhere, I guess, and it will connect into the GPS here and here. So turn it to your fingers. Next thing next, get the aux cables and stuff connected in. guys, so many bags and wires, you know. All thanks to your uncles and aunties in China. And so you got the left and the right aux cable, which is going to connect to the left and the right aux cable here. So white with white, red with red. And obviously you got for the camera and other stuff, which you're going to do later. And this one connects to the port here. So don't break anything. Yeah, that's in. That's that. It's connected in. Also they provide you with 2 aux cables, but I'm just going to plug them in and going to leave them inside because I haven't taken the glove box off yet. So it's 2 wires there. You can use them if you want, but it's not the end of the world. So just plug it in. So plug it in, and the video output cable. Right, that's all plugged in. Yeah. So that's everything plugged in. So we just connect the main one. So this one to this one. So theoretically it should slide in. Yeah, just like that. And that's connected. And you connect your antenna to this in here. And tuck everything in. Make sure you tuck everything in. That's what we need to tuck in, but we'll have to do for the moment. And it should fit. So guys, let's find the key. Just did the whole video and realized the voice wasn't there, so turn it on and ta-da! So that's how we install a stereo. So let's finish up and tidy up. So that's all tidied up now, and yeah, so it's pretty much done, and all you need to do is connect your phone and you have what you need. So if you want to go phone, media, whatever, it's your, and you can literally see what you want to do and basically fiddle with it. You can screen off and screen on, sound effects and everything you can change. So I'll put the link below in the description where you can buy this one, but there's so many out there, so you can use anything you want. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Review on that. So basically it was pretty much easy to install, so it wasn't too hard to do and everything, so pretty easy to install. Quality wise it's not the best looking one, but it will do the job. It will give you maps, CarPlay, Android Play, whatever you need. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video guys.